Excellent, excellent. Well, man, Carla, we truly appreciate you sharing that with us. And for, you ladies and gentlemen that, again, are looking at this particular video, that's what we want you to understand, that these are real people, that have real challenges or real concerns, if you will, in their life. Nobody is a paid actor. Again, I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, but I'm out here in Houston, Texas, and simply by means of the internet, ladies and gentlemen. And the internet is powerful because it allows you to be able to reach individuals all around the world. I contacted these individuals and found out that they were in Houston, and I said, hey, let's meet up, let's have a discussion, let's share with the world what it is that we're doing and who it is that we're actually trying to help, because everybody, I don't care who you are, man or woman, there are other women in your life that need to know about this information. And one of the things that we would recommend is that you share this video all across social media, share it via email, share it with whomever, so that way people understand that this is a serious concern. Because let me ask you this question. Do you know anybody with fibroids? Do you know anybody with heavy flow, feminine flow, if you will? Do you know anybody that has died of cancer? Now, again, we're not making any type of medical claims, but I'm sure that you know individuals that have been challenged on a number of different levels. And now we have some information that is very important, and we're going to share this information with everybody. So let's go over here. There's another male in the focus group, if you will. This is Mr. Marcus Muhammad. And Marcus, if you could just share with us, why is it that you decided to come on board here with the Now We Know awareness campaign and movement?
Thank you for the question. I gotta say, for me, unlike you guys, it wasn't because I tried a product. I just saw the opportunity. I actually saw another video where they took 2 sanitary napkins and placed one right here and one right here, and they did a demonstration. You put the paper towel down on one, the leading brand, pulled it up, it was still wet, and they put one down on you guys' products, and pulled it up and it was dry. Now, I never experienced a woman's flow. Never really, we don't, as males, and then probably, we don't ask about it. We just know that it exists, and we kind of, we're sensitive to stay out the way, sensitive towards the situation.
Right.
But we never go into details about it. I have 3 daughters myself, and when I saw that particular moment, I was like, wow, we have a game changer. It's a no-brainer. You don't have to sell that product. I've been in network marketing. I think I did 4 companies. Last company I did pretty well. Now, but it was a consumable product that you really didn't have to sell, but that person really didn't need it. But this product, I say personally, it's a no-brainer. It is not like you have to use it.
It helps people.
Exactly.
It's all of a sudden, everything I've been plagued with from this product is gone.
Right.
All the medications, the Midols, the pills, the surgeries, unnecessary, ladies.
Right. So me personally, I seen an opportunity. An opportunity to make some residual income. That's what I seen. And then at the end of the day, we will be able to help millions of women that's out there suffering from the issues that you mentioned. So I feel good about collecting the dollar on something that's real good. So hey, it's a twofold deal for me.
Excellent.